Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip.
If you've double-checked everything that we went over in yesterday's video about add-ins and still aren't seeing the correct tabs, you may need to add them manually. To do that, all you need to do is right-click on the command manager, hover over the tabs section, and then in the expanded window, select the tabs you want to add. If you don't like the large command manager and think it's taking up too much space, you can also right-click and uncheck this Use Large Buttons with Text option. It'll then resemble more of just regular toolbars. If even that's too much space for you, or you don't like the setup with the tabs for different areas of design, you can get rid of the command manager in total with this checkbox. From there, you would be able to manually add exactly which toolbars you want. If you do this, to bring up the right-click menu again, you'll need to right-click on the very top part of the frame, not in the graphics window.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.